Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm going to be doing a little bit of a quarantine closet tour for you guys, showing you guys some of the stuff in my closet, not everything, just going over like how I organized it, you know, things like that. Right now you can tell I'm doing a little bit of reorganization. I'm moving like all my shoes, I'm like moving them into my closet, so everything's going to be in the same place now. Basically is where I moved it to, instead of having it like my shoes over here. I used to have my shoes just like right down here, and now I moved them over there, and you can see I'm kind of in the process of that. So this video is just going to be showing that, but then also going over just kind of a little closet tour, since that's what some people have been interested in. You guys seem to like the idea when I kind of brought it up, so appreciate whoever kind of suggested this one. I think it was in the comments of a video I did yesterday, so thank you. But we're gonna get into this video today, so I hope you all will enjoy it. If you think you're gonna enjoy the little closet tour, be sure guys go ahead, subscribe below, drop a like. Appreciate it. Of course, as usual, I say that like every vid, so if you aren't subscribed already, what are you doing? And yeah, we're just gonna get into showing you guys my closet, so I hope y'all will enjoy. And you know, let's see what T got in this closet today. Oh, and I guess before we get into it one more time, go check out my Instagrams down below if y'all want to. But yeah, let's go. Alright, so first order of business, as I said, we gotta reorganize these. Basically, I got everything already set up, like in my closet, like there it is. So, you know, we're about to get into that after this, but basically, you know, I just need to set these down. So, give me a sec. Little camera going. Yeah, I gotta hop. I feel like Spider-Man. Alright, so basically, we're now in the closet. I'm gonna close the door. The lighting is kind of trash in here, so I do apologize, but you know, hopefully the thumbnail and all that look good, because I tried to get like a good lighting there for all that, but hopefully you can still it just doesn't focus. It just doesn't focus, and there's like a bunch of shadow on my face, you notice. It just doesn't work. It's one small light in here, but there's no noise, so that's good. Basically, as you can see, I've moved all my sneakers up here. I stacked them all up here, and you know, I'm still on crutches. You know, I was able to still, you know, lift them up, all that. You know, your boy got that work right now, because you know, I've had to crutch myself everywhere, but I'm on one crutch right now, so you know, nothing's getting too crazy. Also, want to mention the 28K giveaway. I forgot to announce that, but I'm going to very soon. I've been delayed on it, so I apologize. Just need to get this one thing resold, and then I have a pretty good item that I want to give away for 28K. But there'll be a bigger giveaway at like 30K or 35K, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, basically, you know, just got some of my shoes here. Like, I'll show you all a couple of them. Usually I wouldn't show you all of them, but this sneaker has gone up a ton in value. The Jordan 1 Turbo, as you guys may or may not know about, but this sneaker is actually pretty valuable now. And you can see just they're all up there like that now. I really like that kind of style, but this sneaker's gone up like several $100s since I bought it, so very good purchase. Happy about it. Definitely keeping. And you know, the sneaker's just, I don't know, it's super clean, and that's why I like it. So I'm trying to do a thumbnail, you see. But yeah, that's enough of that, so we're gonna put that up. But yeah, basically just how I decided to reorganize my sneakers. I guess it was just, you know, a little idea I had, so you know, hopefully you guys like it. That's the first part of my little closet. You know, we're gonna get that stacked up to this all the way up there, so we're gonna keep going. That's the motivation. We gotta save money and do that at the same time, so you know, we got good motivation for earning money right now, so I like that. But we also got some tees. You may notice there's like a lot of empty hangers, because I still got like some stuff in the wash. Look, there's an empty hanger there. I sold one tee from here yesterday, so there's like some empty hangers that will be replaced, and then some of the stuff's just in the wash. You know, that's like a little more about my closet. I'm gonna move here for a sec to show you all some of my jackets I got down here. So, you know, I got like a couple like regular like vintage tees down here, some Worldwide Youth that I wore by Youth right here, and then, you know, we got like FTP, so we got some dope stuff that I really like. You know, we also got like another Worldwide Youth puffer jacket right here. Some of the better pieces that you all know about. I'll flip the camera so y'all can see. You all know about these better pieces, like the red bandana box logo. I'm getting a black one soon, but I'm planning to sell the black one. Just you all will see that. I think I'm doing a trade for an LV duffel. Y'all will see. It's a good like video that I'll make out of it. Then we also got the Lacoste jacket. Had this one forever. You know, this one's super. This one goes for a ton now, but that's prices. Really ignore the price. I just love these pieces. I like how they look. Like, we also got like a little Lacoste jacket right here. Got that one on Black Friday. I do not know why I'm so sweaty. I think it's because I'm trying to video on crutches, and my body's like, yo, this actually takes a decent amount of effort, you know? But yeah, basically, so I guess some other parts of my closet. I don't know, we got that Jordan bag right there. But yeah, you know, see the sneakers stacking up pretty good. And we also got like some pants right here. These aren't really organized, but you know, they're kind of all over the place. But you know, you got shorts, pants. It's kind of where I stack all that up. And you know, we just got the tees right here. I really, you know, this is where like my Gucci Mane tee would go. I mean, I kind of just put everything on random hangers, but you know, there's just some empty ones right now. And then we got all these boxes right here in my closet. Another part of my closet, you know, is just the mess. Got some Legos down there, but there's just a massive mess right around here. This whole other half of my closet taken up by that, and just the jackets hanging right above it. But yeah, really my favorite piece in my closet, I'd say I'd probably would put is the bandana box logo. I like that one. It's just super clean. I really like the tee I'm wearing right now also. This is also one of my favorites in the closet, the Figures of Speech off-white tee. Yeah, I really like how I've reorganized my sneakers back up here, because I had these shelves, but I was using them just for like empty sneaker boxes. But I wanted to actually make my closet more like a closet where you put sneakers and like all your clothes in and all that. So that's what I did, and I moved them to right here. So that's I guess a little part that I can tour about my closet, but I really don't have too much more to show in my closet. It's just a closet, really. Clothes and stuff go there, but I'm glad you guys requested this video because I can show you all a couple more pieces. Like I grew out of this tee super long ago. Shout out, my friends were pointing it out yesterday, but I got like that one, got another Worldwide Youth one, and I need to put some OxyClean on it because it got like a huge stain on it. So there's some other stuff. Yeah, basically I'll go through a couple other sneakers I got in the collection recently, just so you guys can see them. But we got like the Pure Money 4s. These ones are pretty cool, really good. One Jordan 4 I like, so shout out Jordan for making these ones. All white, super clean, Pure Money. Yeah, that's the name. They're Pure Money. I love them, super clean. And we also got it's like my Gucci sneakers right here, which I'll show you all these if I can pull them out. So hopefully I can. But yeah, these are my Gucci Aces. Y'all may, or not Gucci Aces, but Gucci slip-ons. Sorry, I keep stuttering and mispronouncing stuff, but these are really nice. I love these slip-ons, the Yankee ones. I should get like the Supreme Yankee Boga to match it with it or something. Just something cool like that. I think that'd go pretty hard. But these ones, definitely one of my favorites I have in my collection. I remember going to Atlantis, just copping these in the Bahamas. It was a really good thing. It's a great thing to actually have like a memory to and remember it by. So I love this one, and I like that. I'm messing with this whole organization. I'm messing with this. Like, I think this is my favorite way I've organized like my whole room since we've moved into this house yet. We've been in this house for like 3 years now or something like that. Not 3 years, but a while. So I really like how I've organized these. I think this is the way I'm gonna leave it. Just with all the sneakers and stuff up here, jackets there, tees. Just where all the clothes go, pants up there, as you guys saw earlier. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to show for my closet. The whole little tour, few pieces, few shoes in it. Obviously, we're still collecting, and we're going to be buying some stuff before college. But in college, the collection and all that, it's going to completely be different. Restarting, selling some stuff, but we'll get into all that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got to show for my closet. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my closet tour. May do another one in like a few months, but don't expect another one too soon. So that's all I really got to show. I'm Tristan. Let's roll that outro. Anyways, if you guys do want more content like this, feel free to go ahead, subscribe below, and drop a like. I'd appreciate that. Just a little closet tour. It's not really anything too crazy, just some slight reorganization, just showing you all what it's like in there. But I feel like I'm just kind of like anybody's closet, it's a regular closet. There's nothing different really, just maybe how it looks. But yeah, if you did enjoy, definitely, stay tuned for more videos like this. Gonna be producing more content, dropping some Supreme vids this week, how to cops, all that, since this week's pretty hyped, Supreme TNF. So we'll get into all that and do that, discuss it. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. So follow me on IGs down below. I'd appreciate that. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next vid. Peace.